And now, it's time for the world's best game show with your favourite host, Oscar Cicada.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Yes, you're right. Thanks a million. Your preferred show.
Please, I need to win $1 million.
$1 million?
Here's my invitation. Can you help me? I need $1 million to save English grammar.
Should we give it a chance? Yes! You say English grammar?
Yes, English grammar.
I have a Colombian grammar. I don't have an English grammar.
No, not a grandmother. Grammar. Articles.
Oh, yes, articles. Okay, like magazines.
No. The words a and the. You can't speak English without them.
Should we give it a chance? Yes! Can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Ms Parrot.
Ms Parrot, like the bird.
No, not parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, yes. But it's pronounced Parrot. The T is silent.
Parrot. Okay, Ms Parrot. Do you think you can win $1 million?
I hope so, and I hope that the group here will help me too.
Okay.